In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add other income in FreshBooks. Adding other income is a great way to keep your books complete when you receive money that isn't tied to a specific invoice. Things like bank interest, affiliate payouts, refunds, or miscellaneous sales. Let's walk through it together so you can record it quickly and accurately. First, open your FreshBooks account and log in. That will take you to the dashboard. Make sure you're on a secure connection, and if you have it enabled, complete your two-factor authentication for extra protection. Once you're in, give the page a second to fully load so all menu options appear. Now, look for the Create New button. It's typically at the top right of the screen. Click it to open the drop-down menu. If your browser window is very narrow, you might see a condensed menu. Just expand your window or look for a plus icon with the same options. From the drop-down, choose Other Income. This option is specifically designed for income that isn't generated by a FreshBooks invoice. Using it helps keep your reports clear and ensures these amounts show up correctly in your profit and loss. You'll see a form where you can fill in the required details. Start with the date. Choose the date you actually receive the money so your month-end totals are accurate. Enter the amount and double-check your decimals and currency. Add a clear description, such as bank interest for February or affiliate payout, so you or your accountant know exactly what it is later. Select the appropriate income category if prompted. Picking a consistent category makes reporting cleaner and saves time at tax season. If there's a field for the payer or source, include it and add notes if there's anything helpful to remember. If your income is subject to tax in your region, set the correct tax rate. If not, mark it as non-taxable. And if you have a confirmation email, receipt, or statement, attach it to the entry. Attachments are invaluable for audit trails and future questions. Before you finalize, take a moment to review everything. Accurate dates, categories, and notes will make a big difference later. If you use bank connections, be mindful of potential duplicates. This entry should represent money that isn't already auto-imported as a transaction you plan to categorize separately. When everything looks right, click Save. Your other income is now recorded and will be reflected in your financial reports. You can return and edit this entry later if you need to make adjustments. That's all there is to it. Record each non-invoice payment the same way, keep your descriptions consistent, and you'll maintain clean, reliable books in FreshBooks.